Hi there, students. A spree. A spree. Okay, a spree is a short period of doing something in an extreme way and without control. So I think one of the key elements here, you do a lot of it extremely, but without control. You're enjoying it too much to hold yourself back. So you could have a shopping spree, or a spending spree, or a killing spree. He had a spree of burglaries. He robbed a load of houses in a very short period of time. So it's a spree. It's a period of time in which there's a lot of activity of a particular type, especially something you enjoy, but also especially something that might not be so good. So you have the spending spree. He went on a drinking spree. Yeah, he was drinking for 4 days solidly. A spree. So this is several times in a row. There were a spree of acquisitions by several large businesses. I think companies are hoping there's going to be a massive spending spree when lockdown finishes. So it's unrestrained indulgence of an activity, or an unrestrained outburst of an activity. Okay, so spree, yeah, a binge, if you like, a spending spree. Okay, so yeah, a crime spree. There was a spree of crimes in the area. Stubborn indulgence of an activity, an eating spree, an eating binge. I ate and ate and ate. Yeah. After a drinking spree, they went on a spree of burglaries, or they went on a shoplifting spree. Yeah, they went and did a whole load of shoplifting. Yeah, I guess you could have a killing spree as well. There'd been a spree of COVID cases in the area. Yeah, so it's talking about uninhibited activity. Yeah, a spending spree, to engage in a spree. How formal is this word, a spree? I would give it a 5 in formality. Maybe 4.75. I think you could use it anywhere, but it's a touch on the informal side. Great for a semi-formal writing. A spree in a very formal writing, maybe, but I think you might use an intense episode of, or something like that. And then the origin of this, well, there are various theories to it. Maybe from a Scottish dialect, a frolic or a drinking bout, meaning a spree. Maybe it comes from the French esprit, meaning lively, which is possible. Or maybe from an Old Norse word, spraker. Yeah, or a Gaelic word, or a Scottish word, spreath, a cattle raid. Yeah, so well, a spree, doing a lot of something at one time. In the past, it used to mean a happy episode. Yeah, a frolic, if you like. But nowadays, a spree. A set of doing something really intensely. Okay, so yeah, you could go on a spree of watching my videos if you really wanted. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A spree.